Hello, my name is Steven, and today I'll be walking you through how to use the Moldlab Pro Kit. Before you get started using our kit, consider the home or environment you'll be entering to test. Make sure you understand from your customer as much as you can about their situation before you even enter the home. That way, you can be sure to have proper personal protective equipment for the circumstances. As a minimum, gloves are recommended to prevent direct contact with mold while taking surface samples, and well-fitted goggles without vent holes are recommended to protect your eyes the entire time you're in the area. Additionally, an N95 mask or respirator is also recommended. You can refer to the EPA's full recommendations for PPE on page 19 of the document linked in the written instructions below. Now that you know you'll be safe, prepare your supplies for testing. You'll want a pen and your Pro Kit. If you're planning on taking air samples, you'll also need an air pump, such as the Buck BioAir. You may also consider a tripod for air sampling. Tripods are not mandatory, but can be very convenient to allow you to take air samples at any height, anywhere in a room. Start by filling out the top of your test kit form, including your company name, the address of the location you're sampling for or your customer's name, your name, a good email address, a cell phone number, and the sampling date. The information you provide will be visible on your final test report. We never share your email address or cell phone number for any reason, and will only use them to contact you in regards to your test kits. If your customer needs their results quickly, you can mark the rush box. You'll get results the same day we receive your kit in the lab. Otherwise, you'll get results 24 hours later. Make sure to write down your kit serial number. You will want that number anytime you contact us about your kit. Keep it somewhere safe. If you need help deciding where and how to sample, we have some simple guidance for you in separate videos. This one will help you with tape sampling, and this one will help you with air sampling. You can find both videos below. Once you finish taking your samples, make sure all samples and your sample form are inside the return mailer, and make sure you've written down your test kit serial number somewhere you'll remember it. Then, seal your return mailer and drop it off at any FedEx location. The return mailer will already have a FedEx return label applied to it, pre-addressed to our lab. You can expect your results one day after we receive your test kit in the lab. As soon as we receive your kit, you'll get a text and an email from us letting you know exactly what time you'll be getting your results. Your report will be issued to the email address you provided on your test kit form and from the reports@moldlab.com email address. In rare cases, this email can be marked as spam by your email client, so be sure to check your spam folder if you don't see your results when you're expecting them. If for any reason you forgot to provide your email address, or if your results just didn't show up when you expected them, give us a call. We'll make sure you get them. Thanks for choosing the Moldlab Pro Kit. If you still have any questions, check the other videos and instructions below this one. If you're still unsure, give us a call. We'll be happy to help any way we can.